Hello guys, welcome to Roblox again, and it's me, the real me. Now I'm a brother, thank God. I recorded the other one. Today is IFoRS, and I'm going to show you all about it. Sorry, but I really have lag. Please, why? So guys, I don't know if I have lag. So let's go. I'm gonna show you the pitch first. The pitch is very awesome. Thank God I don't have lag because I had lag last every time I record my videos. So here's the pitch. The train people always say, but I say it's my pitch. It's my pitch because I created it. So I know I have lag and those stuff, but I'm really helping myself to not. I'm helping myself to not get lag. I might be playing. I might be playing other soccer games, but see, I don't know. So this is IFoRS. Let's go. So the main course. So it's here. I know it looks so awesome because it's made by me. You know, guys, this is actually made by me. I'm not lying. I'm not actually lying. Seriously, guys. Did you know I'm not actually lying? Not actually lying. And this is volleying and upgrade drill, which reminds me of why the fuck you lying? Why the fuck you lying? Oh Jesus Christ! The gold look like he has to take off. Oh shut up! What is this? Fucking idiot! You really have to do that? Oh fuck off! You really have to do that? You really have to do that? Oh wow! You really have to do that? Really? Oh. You really have to do that. That was so nice. So, you're supposed to volley. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to volley. Jesus, so hard. You're supposed to volley, like, I don't know where the balls are coming from, like, please, I'm so dumb. Don't know why you're supposed to volley, but you do, come on, volley. These volleys are like so bad. IFoRS is good, but like the volley is like, why you have to step in it every time? Can I do a bicycle, please? Let me do a bicycle. On a bicycle. Fucking JK. The JK need deliverance. Oh, oh Jesus. Sorry, I know I act like a kid, but I'm not a kid, thank God. When I was a kid, I wanted to make YouTube videos, because I knew that I would get much money, but like, I know making videos, oh jeez. The goalie is good though, they're not bad. Just because I'm just showing you I'm actually playing it, so don't just go and say, oh, why are you not showing it us? I don't care about you. I don't care about your excuses. Just shut the hell up. Like your ass is like big. How the fuck was that not a bicycle? I know I'm lying. So fuck you. Oh Jesus Christ. Deliverance like. Boom! What the fuck? Did you just say I just fucking idiot guy? I know this game is a fucking dick. Don't just agree. Boom. I swear to God, I'll turn the paper off. Why? Oh Jesus Christ! Guys, you know what? I don't create when I don't create with Screenomatic, which is I'm recording right now. I use like the Roblox records. Do you know why? Because I didn't know that. I didn't know Screenomatic can actually let you. So I'm very happy. Thank God I didn't bicycle. Oh shit. But like, I know. Okay, the max time for guys, I don't have the pro, so the pro for like cannot. It's like you have to pay credit card, so you can get like, so you can get. How long do you have to wait for that? So you can get free more time. But like, I only have the free launcher, so boom. Just fuck you. Okay, guys, let's do time for flick up. You saw that, guys? Bang! So my little brother is here, and he's going to play some. So, guys, see ya. Hey, dog. Oh, hi, guys. I know I'm a kid, cause I have to swap with my brother. I wanted just to play this game. Wait, Jack. Fuck you too. How you play this? Oh my gosh, you played this before. Oh yeah. You know what, guys? I'm a teenager. He's a kid. So don't try. So don't try and say I'm also a kid. Cause my little brother doesn't know how to play this game. I mean, he does. He's just pretending. Like he played R16 and he's saying like these tools are different. Like look at the. And he plays R15. So how's there a difference? What's the difference between these tools and R15? They're the same tools. Can you not believe, guys? Okay, so guys, I think I have to end this here. So if you like it, like, subscribe, and follow.